Hello kids! Today we are going to learn all the shapes. No, no, no. Yes, this is star. This is star. No, no. Yes, this is oval. This is oval. No, no. Yes, this is quadrifoil. This is quadrifoil. No, no, no. This is hexagon. This is red hexagon. No, no, no. Yes, this is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. No, no. Yes, this is octagon. This is octagon. No, no. Yes, this is semicircle. This is semicircle. No, no. Yes, this is heart. This is heart. No, no, no. Yes, this is triangle. This is red triangle. No, no, no. Yes, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. No, no, no. Yes, this is circle. This is circle. No, no. Yes, this is trapezoid. This is trapezoid. No. 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 Yes. This is cross. This is cross. No. No. Yes. This is pie. This is pie. No. Yes. This is pentagon. This is pentagon. Wow. Yes. This is square. This is square. Thank you for watching our video.